Vinyl window installation in Frisco is the perfect solution for homeowners looking to enhance their property's energy efficiency and aesthetic appeal. Our Frisco window installation services offer a wide range of options, including energy-efficient vinyl windows Frisco homeowners trust and custom window solutions tailored to your specific needs. With our expert team, you can expect top-notch service and high-quality vinyl window replacement in Frisco. Energy-efficient windows in Frisco are designed to reduce your energy bills while keeping your home comfortable year-round. Our double-pane windows in Frisco provide excellent insulation, helping to maintain a consistent indoor temperature. By choosing energy-efficient windows Frisco, you can enjoy a more sustainable and cost-effective home environment. Window frame replacement is essential for maintaining the structural integrity and appearance of your windows. Our Frisco window frame replacement services ensure that your windows are secure and visually appealing. We offer a variety of window style options in Frisco to match your home's design and enhance its curb appeal. Custom window solutions in Frisco allow you to personalize your windows to fit your unique style and functional requirements. Whether you need specific window measurements or unique design elements, our Frisco custom window solutions cater to all your needs. Our window design consultation services in Frisco help you make informed decisions about your window upgrades. Window glass installation in Frisco is crucial for maintaining the clarity and functionality of your windows. Our Frisco window glass installation services address issues such as cracks, chips, and foggy glass, ensuring your windows look and perform their best. Trust our experts for reliable and efficient window glass installation in Frisco. Home window upgrades in Frisco can significantly enhance your property's value and comfort. From window seal replacement to window insulation services, our Frisco home window upgrades provide comprehensive solutions for all your window needs. Experience improved energy efficiency and noise reduction with our expert services. Window seal replacement in Frisco is vital for preventing drafts and maintaining energy efficiency. Our Frisco window seal replacement services ensure that your windows are properly sealed, reducing energy loss and enhancing comfort. Trust our team for professional and effective window seal replacement in Frisco. Window insulation services in Frisco are designed to improve your home's energy efficiency and comfort. Our Frisco window insulation services include the installation of double-pane windows and other energy-saving solutions. Enjoy a more comfortable home environment with our expert window insulation services in Frisco. Window style options in Frisco offer a variety of choices to suit your home's design and personal preferences. From traditional to modern styles, our Frisco window style options provide the perfect solution for any home. Enhance your property's aesthetic appeal with our diverse range of window styles in Frisco. Window maintenance services in Frisco are essential for keeping your windows in top condition. Our Frisco window maintenance services include regular inspections, cleaning, and installations for vinyl windows Frisco residents rely on to ensure your windows remain functional and attractive. Trust our experts for comprehensive window maintenance services in Frisco. Looking for top-notch vinyl window installation in Frisco? Our Frisco window installation services offer energy-efficient windows and custom window solutions tailored to your needs. Whether you need window frame replacement or double-pane windows, we have the expertise to enhance your home's comfort and style. Upgrade your home with our Frisco custom window solutions. We provide window glass installation and home window upgrades in Frisco, ensuring your windows are in perfect condition. Our Frisco window seal replacement and window insulation services guarantee improved energy efficiency and reduced utility bills. Explore our wide range of Frisco window style options. From window maintenance services to window hardware replacement, we cover all aspects of window care. Our window screen installation in Frisco ensures your home is protected from insects while allowing fresh air to circulate. Enhance your home's comfort with Frisco window weatherproofing and window noise reduction services. Our Frisco window UV protection and window tinting services help protect your interiors from harmful sun rays. We also offer Frisco window condensation solutions to prevent moisture buildup. Secure your home with our Frisco window security features. Our window design consultation in Frisco helps you choose the best options for your home. We provide window measurement services and Frisco window cost estimation to ensure a perfect fit and budget-friendly solutions. Benefit from our window installation warranty in Frisco, providing peace of mind with every installation. Our Frisco window replacement financing options make it easy to upgrade your windows without financial strain. Check out our window installation reviews in Frisco to see why we're the top choice for vinyl window replacement. For vinyl windows in Frisco, trust our expert team for all your window needs. From window maintenance Frisco to Frisco window hardware replacement, we ensure your windows are in top condition. Our Frisco window screen installation and window weatherproofing services enhance your home's functionality and aesthetics. Experience the benefits of energy-efficient windows in Frisco. Our Frisco window insulation services and window noise reduction Frisco solutions create a more comfortable living environment. With Frisco window UV protection and window tinting Frisco, your home stays cooler and protected from sun damage. Choose our Frisco window condensation solutions for a moisture-free home. Our window security Frisco features provide added safety and peace of mind. With Frisco window design consultation and window measurement Frisco, we ensure your windows are perfectly tailored to your home. Take advantage of our Frisco window cost estimation and window installation warranty Frisco for a seamless experience when upgrading to vinyl windows. Frisco homeowners recommend. Our Frisco window replacement financing options make upgrading your windows affordable. Read our window installation reviews Frisco to see why we're the preferred choice for vinyl window replacement in Frisco.